Oh, sorry about that. How's everybody doing? Hope everyone's doing well. And this video is going to be a little bit of a collaboration of what my last video was. So stay tuned for that. Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, hope everyone's doing well. Let's cut the crap and get down to the nitty gritty. Just like I said, this video is going to be about my last video about Terry, and yeah, so let's get on with it. Alright, so who is Terry GG&G? Well, he's a little bit of a fuck up, alright? And the funny thing is now he is all this positive, whatever you want to call it, and it only be positive comments on his channel, otherwise it gets deleted. Even though there are some people that are out there that have and were willing to try to help Terry, basically, you know, on his channel, but he took it as being negative comments and deleted the information, or deleted the comment that had good information in them. Now, myself being one of those people that would try to comment on Terry's video, and it never shows up. He blocks it, which I can understand why, because he's Terry. Okay. Now, this video is not to be bullying. It's not to be negative. It's not to be anything but the truth. Okay. All the videos that I posted up about Terry is basically the truth about Terry and how he is. Now, if you notice in his last two, I don't know, hangout videos, or what do you want to call live broadcasts, whatever they were, if you notice in those two videos that his voice has got a arrogance to it now. And so apparently he's starting to get a big head or something. I don't know. I mean, can't get any bigger than that. But one of the things that it's a very good question, and I have to ask this, and it's an honest, you know, good question. Why do you people keep patting the monkey on the back when the monkey just keeps throwing shit at you? It's just like my last video, showing some of the work that he was doing to the SG guitar. Good example. Very good example. Now, I haven't been doing too much around here as far as YouTube goes. I've been busy doing other things. You know, life goes on. There's other things besides YouTube. And I have to apologize to the ones that I'm subscribed to that I haven't been really watching too many of their videos. I've been trying to catch up, but I haven't gotten caught up yet. So I do have to apologize to you guys. It's not that I'm not interested anymore. It's just that, or you don't have good content. It's just I've been very busy. Winter's coming up, and you know, I gotta winterize the yard. I gotta do a bunch of work around here. We're doing some remodeling over here, and yeah, there's just too much to basically sit down and take care of some of the things that I want to do, but get the things that need to be done. So, watching Terry's videos, it's kind of amusing every time there's a video. Now, the last two videos he put up basically where it was 2 hours of basically changing tuning pegs. Or, not tuning pegs, but tuners. That's a job that should take about 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops, if you're going to work slow. So, yeah. And on top of that, it was done very, very poorly. So, again, this is not bullying, and this is not negative or being negative, but just proving a point. Now, Terry has very poor content, but yet people have to sit there and keep patting him on the back, cheering him on, you know, which only induces him to do more bad things. All right. Now, you guys sit there and you know, pat him on the back. You're doing a great job. He thinks he's doing good. He thinks he's doing great. Nobody can tell him that he's doing something wrong. And if they do, well, you get blocked, deleted, or whatever, because you're being negative. This is a positive channel now. Well, I got news for you. Even I have to take some criticism as far as my channels, my content on my channels, and I have. If I'm doing something that I've done wrong or could be doing better, if somebody mentions it or says something to me about it, I'm not deleting their comment. Basically, it's a thank you. Thanks for helping me out. You know, I didn't know this. You know, any information is good information, regardless if it's bad information. But the information that Terry is giving is strictly wrong. Don't do as he does. Don't do as he says. You're looking for troubles, you're looking for problems, and possibly you'll be looking for a new guitar. Now, another thing that Terry has to kind of throw out there, which he did in his last Hangout video, is his PayPal and his wish list. And as he said, you know, people consider that what he's doing as e-begging. Yes, it is e-begging if you do not have good content on your channel. And when I mean good content, I mean not misleading information, wrong information, or showing somebody how to half-ass something. Okay, there's a lot of good YouTubers out there. A lot of the YouTubers that he watches or he's part of the group or whatever, some good guys, they know their shit, and I'm really surprised that none of them sit there and say, hey, what are you doing, Terry? And for God's sakes, play a fucking song. None of this fucking playing the same thing over and over and over again and then switching to a different tone and playing the same thing over and over again. Play a goddamn song, please. Because what you're doing is making a lot of noise, and to tell people, like, to tell people how to play or how to learn to play guitar, which he did in another video, yeah, I did just shit. Okay. You have to been there to hear it, and yeah. But as he says, that's the only way you're going to learn. Play a goddamn song and shut the fuck up. Period. That's all I got to say. Now, again, I'm going to ask this question. Why are people patting him on the back for doing shit? That's why, I mean, does nobody, come on. I mean, everybody has to take some type of criticism or whatever, and you deal with it. Not a big deal at all. I mean, it's not something that oh my God, he told me that I was doing this wrong, and I made a video of it. And oh, come on. And then to be throwing out your wish list and your PayPal like you should be compensated or gifted for the content that you have on your channel. Come on. There are so many YouTubers out there that have great content, interact with their subscribers, and interact a lot better with their comments than you do. And the funny thing is those people that have great content, you know, they're getting perks, either from other companies, and I think this is what Terry is looking for, is to be just like them. Well, you know, to demo an amp or to demo a guitar or to demo a pedal and stuff, first you have to really know how to play that guitar and to play using that pedal and that head to its full potential, which means you have to learn how to play guitar, play a song, really get into different stuff instead of doing the same thing over and over again. And also those people that have great content, you know, they make a few dollars off of it, which is great, you know. But those people that have good content, you know, if you become what they call a Patreon, or you know, they get a few bones from their subscribers, they also get something in return, either a sticker, maybe a t-shirt, you know, something from that channel. Hell, maybe even the channel owner would tattoo their name depending, how much they got from another subscriber to, hell, I'd put somebody's name if they ended up sending me $1,000 or something. I tattooed their name on my arm or something. But anyways, I don't ask for nothing. I never have, never will, and I'm not going to start. But this e-begging crap is basically what it is. He doesn't think so, but it is. It's e-begging, and he just doesn't realize that his content for what he puts out there is wrong, misleading, and bad. Period. So in some cases, I could see that a lot of these guys may want to keep their mouth shut to him and stuff like that because they don't want to hurt his feelings, or they don't want to lose him as a friend, or this, that, and the other. I was friends with Terry, and I got to tell you, being friends with Terry, that's not friends. He doesn't know what friends are. The guy needs to get out of the house and mingle with people other than YouTube. And yeah. So I really don't have too much more to say about this, and but I do have to say, my question is, why do you keep on patting the monkey on the back when the monkey is throwing you shit? Period. Does everyone feel sorry for the fat boy on the short bus? Come on, I don't think so. You guys take care. Have a good one, and I guess I'll catch up with you all later. Rock on, everyone.